Welcome back. Now, one major aspect of your promotion will be your Amazon Author Central account. And we've completed the first part of that promotion by creating a blog that we'll be connecting to Amazon Central. Now, another part of that will be connecting your social media accounts. And so you'll want to consider these two setups in particular. Now, obviously, you want to set up those accounts that you expect to use. Now, if you don't expect to use a social media account in order to promote your books, then you probably should not set one up. And you want to use this to communicate regularly with your readers on a regular basis. You want to consider where your typical reader is online most and then start with that one or two social networks. Now, this activity on the social network shouldn't be so time consuming that it takes the place of your writing, but you should be in touch with potential readers if possible before your possible release dates because, again, you're going to be able to utilize Amazon Author Central. Now, you want to try to keep your profiles consistent with the activity and content you already have on Amazon, especially if you're going to be using a storefront, especially if you're going to be using one of the influencer accounts. Now, as far as which accounts you should set up, again, depending on where your followers are, you're going to be setting up Facebook. You'll probably want to set up a page for each separate book release. So if you have one title, you want to set up a page for that title. In general, and if possible, you want to have a group. And this will be for ongoing relationships with all of your followers and all of your readers. And lastly, you want to have your personal profile for friends, associates, and business connections. You also want to set up a Twitter account if you're going to use it. Twitter is going to be for quick communication, perhaps your book releases, for quick tips to your readers, and for providing a point of view to your readers. Now, obviously, you can be involved in more social networks if you're good at engagements on those networks, but we want to keep our focus on those networks that we're going to connect with Amazon Author Central. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.